Hello, today you are going to learn complex numbers. What are complex numbers? So, the numbers of the form a plus ib, we call them as complex numbers. So, in this, a and b, these are real numbers, and it consists of this part, we call it as a real part, and this part we call it as imaginary part. For example, you can write it as 1 plus 5i. This is a real part, this is an imaginary part. Similarly, 3 plus I, real part, imaginary part. 7 minus 1 by 8i. So here also this is a real part, this is an imaginary part. Now these types of numbers, these types of representation are known as complex numbers. Now they can be represented on a plane, and that representation we call it as an Argand's diagram. So Argand's diagram will have x-axis, it will have y-axis. So now this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, this is negative x, this is negative y. Now let me represent point P on this axis. So let my point P be here. Now this point P can be represented by complex number as x plus iy. So if I'll draw a perpendicular from point P along the x and y axis, so I'll be getting something like this. Now x-axis is a real axis and the y-axis is the imaginary axis. Okay. Now this is an angle theta. OP. Here OP is modulus, and the distance from O, this is from an origin to P, is denoted by R. Okay.